In today's video, we are unboxing the Hercules HDP DJ45 DJ headphones. These headphones have just released here in India. So let's find out how good they are and if they're worth picking up. Let's go. What's good, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hercules is a French DJ company which made a lot of noise in recent times because of their huge success with the Impulse 500 DJ controller. They have a lot of products in their catalog and one among them is this one here, which is the Hercules HDP DJ45 DJ headphones. Listen easy and become a DJ is the first thing that you read on the box, clearly indicating that these headphones are targeted towards the beginner DJ market. So let's quickly unbox this and see if they can live up to that slogan. Unboxing in 3, 2, 1. This here is the box and I quite like this box and they have done a pretty good job of explaining what to expect out of the product inside of it. On the right here, they have mentioned a bit about their company and here you can see what all you get in the box. They also indicate that this product can be used with a controller, a mixer, a laptop, a phone or a tablet, making it compatible with any audio consuming device, but primarily the DJ gear. At the back, you can get a fair idea about the specifications for the geek in you, and it also says that it's the perfect DJ headphones to start DJing with. Hiding the serial number here, you can get to see the specs again in brief that say that these headphones are a closed back dynamic headphones with a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. On paper, these headphones seem decent, but let's open the box and find out more. The first thing that you will see when you open the box are these user manuals. Keeping them aside and opening the flap reveals the headphones themselves, which are wrapped in a protective cover. Keeping them aside to check if you get anything else in the box. And no, that's about it. You don't get a carrying case with these headphones, just so you know. Now keeping the box aside, let's check out the headphones now. Oh, nice. First look, and I already love the matte finish look on these headphones. Getting rid of all the plastics and there you have it. These are the headphones. The headphones feel light and they are about 300 grams and they also come with a spiral cable which extends the cable up to 2 meters. The cable itself is non-removable and it comes with a 3.5 mm headphone jack at one end and it also comes with a 1/4 inch adapter which makes it compatible with a wide range of audio products. Now I absolutely love the finish on these headphones and as you can see they are clean and they have a very little branding. The build quality feels strong and these hinges feel robust. However, the overall body is made out of high quality plastic. The headband feels strong and flexible and it can be adjusted to suit your head size. It has a leatherette finish on the top and a fabric finish on the inside, making it soft and cushiony, and the fabric also helps in absorbing any sweat that there may. The cuffs are rotating style and are luxuriously padded and covered with a leatherette ear pad. They rotate 90 degrees and it also springs back to their original position when released. The cuffs can pivot up to 180 degrees, which allows them to be aligned with the ear, and it can also completely fold into the band. Handling these headphones don't feel fragile at all. They are robust and the product feels very high quality. It's safe to say that it can handle long periods of use and it can also handle the rough operation during a DJ set. Now talking about the comfort, putting them on and adjusting the expandable headband makes them sit perfectly on your head and over the ears. They are light and they are very comfortable to wear. Those who prefer single ear monitoring can simply twist an earpiece away and it will stay. Or thanks to the rotating joint, you can also hold the earpiece in your hand if you prefer that style. Now let's talk about the sound quality. I actually tested this product with my DJ controller, my professional mixer, the laptop and also my phone, and I can clearly say that the frequency range on these headphones are definitely above average. The highs are crystal clear and the lows and mids are well balanced, making these headphones good for multiple applications. However, the headphones don't get very loud, but that soon changed when I connected these headphones to the professional club equipment like the DJM 900 Nexus 2 and I could increase the volume and The volumes could go up, but the quality remained the same. There was no distortion even at higher volumes, and that is a good thing. Now, just so you know, these headphones are not bass heavy. They are clear and well balanced, and that makes it a good choice for the DJ booth. In my conclusion, the Hercules HDP DJ45 DJ headphones are a very good choice for the beginner DJ market, which it is aiming for. The build quality, the sound quality, and the appearance makes it a very good choice, all thanks to its reasonable and low price point of under 3,500 rupees. The headphones are very comfortable to wear, making it very easy to listen and use for those long hours of practice sessions when you're just starting out as a DJ. And that makes it stand up to that slogan that they made there, which is listen easy and become a DJ. So if you're a beginner DJ or if you're looking for a pair of budget DJ headphones, I think this will be a good choice. This product comes with 1-year warranty, and I will leave all the links to buy this product down in the description box. You can go ahead and click that link to buy this product for yourself. That's about it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys did, please don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And while you're at it, it'll be nice if you can click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's been it. My name is Deep, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.